Congratulations on the purchase of a new air gun. Today we're going to go over the Airmaks Caiman X. And this will be the same for Caiman or Caiman X. No changes between those two guns. So what we have here is the gun's going to come in a nice soft case, dual zipper. In the case you're going to get your order sheet, nice little sticker from Airmaks, the owner's manual, along with a factory shoot chart, and then we're going to have the Utah Airgun shoot chart. We're going to have order number, date, model, serial number, caliber, the stock color and style, the pellet we shot it with, the average velocity, the air check, and the technician that did all of the work. In the case, we're also going to have two magazines. The Caiman and the Caiman X both come with two magazines. You're going to have your degassing tool. That's only needed for services that are going to be done to the gun. And then you will have the fill probe with a couple extra O-rings. Okay, so now that we've got that covered, let's go into filling the gun. So there are several methods that you can use to fill the gun. Today we're going to be filling from a larger fill tank. Most of these are going to be very similar. The Caiman and Caiman X come with a fill probe that already has the Foster fitting machined into it. That makes it a lot easier. It's going to connect to your hose just like any other Foster fitting. This gun's also going to come with a protector for your fill port. So you'll remove that, insert your probe until it won't go any further. If you are filling the gun from empty, you will want to start with it cocked. If you're just topping off the gun, that's not necessary. Once we're to that point, we're going to open the valve. We're going to watch the pressure increase. And this gun does have a 300 bar fill. So once you're done filling it, close the valve, purge the line, and now you can remove the probe and replace that dust cap. All right, so now that we're full of air, let's talk about loading the magazine. So this gun that we have is in a 25 caliber, so we do have some 25 caliber pellets. So let's load this magazine. What you're gonna see is there's an elongated opening on the magazine. So if you're able to cock just slightly the internal wheel, then the pellet won't fall through when you place it. Then you're going to load it one by one. So now that we've got some pellets in the magazine, let's cover how the magazine is going to go into the gun. With the action open, there's a notch on the front of this magazine that's going to go towards the front and the top of the gun, and it just snaps into place. Has a nice little ball detent that holds that magazine in. Now if you cycle your action forward, you're ready to fire. On the reverse of that, once you're ready to take the magazine out and store the gun, with the cocking lever back, the magazine will just come straight out. And then you can decock the gun by holding the cocking mechanism back while pulling the trigger. And now when you close it, it's stored in a safe position. That should cover the basic use for the Caiman and Caiman X. If you have any comments, please comment down below and see other videos that we have at the Utah Airguns Workshop channel.